Assalamualaikum class 10. We are doing unit number 3. Try again. It was poem. I have done vocabulary and textbook question answers and book exercise question answers. Now I am going to start book exercise. Today date is 8/7/2020. It's my 15th lecture and day is Wednesday. So first is simile. You know what is simile? When we compare two things by writing as or like, such as he is as fast as a horse or he is like a horse, then it is simile. It is indirect comparison between two things. See the definition. A figure of speech. So simile is a figure of speech in which two apparently unlike things are explicitly compared. So we are comparing two unlike things, apparently unlike things, usually in a phrase introduced by like or as. So we will always write like or as in simile, such as he is as fast as a horse, it's as cold as ice. So we are comparing a person, his speed is as fast as a horse and something is as cold as ice. So we are going to compare two things in simile. तो कोई भी टू थिंग्स को, टू आइडियाज़ को हम सिमली में कंपेयर करते हैं और हम हमेशा एस और लाइक लिखते हैं सिमली में, और ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड. सी द बुक एक्सरसाइज. इट्स ऑन पेज नंबर 30. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. Select the choice that explains the meaning of the simile as it is used in the sentences. So sentence is given, such as first sentence is given and simile is given in a sentence. You have to select the meaning of this simile. हमने simile का मतलब जो है वो इन ऑप्शंस में से ए बी सी डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस में से इनकी जो मीनिंग है, simile का मीनिंग है, वो हमने सेलेक्ट करना है. सी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. ऑन द कोल्ड विंटर डे, under the covers I keep as snug as a bug in a rug. The simile as snug as a bug in a rug means option B is correct. I was cozy in my bed. कि मैं अपने बेड में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल था. cozy means comfortable. Second, a new teacher was as sweet as apple pie. The simile as sweet as apple pie means option A. The new teacher was nice. Option E is correct. Third sentence, their leader was as wise as an oil. The simile as wise as an oil means the leader knew a lot of things. Fourth sentence, the shopping center was like a three-ring circle the day before Eid. The simile like a three-ring circle means option C. The shopping center was really busy. Sentence number 5. Danish threw such a temper outburst over such a tiny things. He was acting like a baby. The simile like a baby means Danish was acting childish. Option B is correct. Mohsen was as explosive as a volcano when he found out his bike had been stolen. The simile as explosive as a volcano means option B. Mohsen was angry. Fill in the blanks to make simile. Use these similes in sentences. So we have to make our own simile. See first one. I have written Sarah is as slow as turtle. You can write any name to your own, that he is as slow as turtle. Ahad is as quiet as desert. He is as black as straw. Ayman is as tall as tree. Nabila's temper is as sour as a lemon. Samra is as sweet as honey. So we have to make our own simile, such as what can be sweet? Honey can be sweet, so we write as sweet as honey. Tall, we know tree is tall, so we can write as tall as tree. Black, we know what is black as crow. So I have make my own simile. If you want to try, you can write to your own. I'll write it whatever I have discussed. alliteration, the repetition of same sound or of the same kind of sound at the beginning of the word or in stressed syllable, such as seashells by the seashore. So repetition of s in a sentence is alliteration. Whenever we repeat consonant word or consonant sound in a sentence, it is alliteration. ये भी figure of speech है. It is another figurative language or figure of speech. In a sentence we repeat the same sound and it give us musical impact, or we can say that we find some stress or emphasize on something to repeat the same alphabets or same syllables, stress syllables. I hope you have understand. See the grammar. Personal pronouns. You know what is personal pronouns, which are used for persons. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns. So we have three cases of pronouns: subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. I have discussed it all of these cases during my lecture of direct and indirect. We have done singular and plural, first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, third person singular and plural. In first person we have subjective, objective, and possessive case. See, first person singular is I, plural is we. Objective case singular is me, plural us. Possessive case singular is me, my and mine, plural our, ours. All of this is फर्स्ट पर्सन. ये जितना भी है रो इसमें फर्स्ट पर्सन का बताया हुआ है और सिंगुलर प्लूरल बताया हुआ है. सेकंड पर्सन यू, प्लूरल इज आल्सो यू. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस इज आल्सो यू, सिंगुलर एंड इन प्लूरल. पॉजिटिव केस योर, योर्स, अगेन योर एंड योर्स. सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल आर सेम. थर्ड पर्सन इज ही, शी, इट, सिंगुलर, प्लूरल इज इट एंड दे. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हिम, हर, इट्स, एंड प्लूरल इज इट एंड देम. Possessive case his, her, and you have to cut it because it's in singular. Yeah, here it is also singular. You will write it here. It's and there. It's and there. You will cut it and write it's here. Same. You will not mention here. It is not plural. Just them is plural. इसमें सिर्फ them plural है. it को हम यहीं रहने देंगे. और इसमें भी it's यहाँ पर आएगी. सिंगुलर में आएगा, प्लूरल में नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पर जस्ट देयर ही आएगा प्लूरल में, पॉजिटिव केस में, इन थर्ड पर्सन. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. So we have to just write correct pronoun in these sentences. There is no need to shout. That is underline. I can hear you. You and I work well together. Then you have to write we, because you and I, two persons are there. We will write we. We are a good team. We have got a bit of a problem. Could you help us? A. This is a good photo, isn't it? So it's about फोटोग्राफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए हमने इट्स का कहा है. क्या ये नहीं है? तो इट्स का मतलब यहाँ फोटोग्राफ है. इस समरा इज इन इट, कि इस समरा जो है इन फोटोग्राफ्स में है. दैट्स व्हाई आई राइट इट. इज समरा इन इट? यस, दैट्स हर्स. लुक हर, लुक शी इज इन, शी इज़ नेक्स्ट टू फाहद. सो वी राइट शी फॉर समरा. हमने देखना है कि इसमें सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है. सब्जेक्ट के बाद जो भी प्रोनाउन आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लिखेंगे. क्योंकि समरा की बात हो रही है इसलिए हमने यहाँ हर्स लिखा है. यस, इट्स हर्स. एंड लुक शी, क्योंकि समरा की बात हो रही है इसलिए हमने यहाँ शी लिखा है. लुक शी इज़ नेक्स्ट टू फाहद. हु डिड दिस मोइंग? यू डोंट राइट एनी प्रोनाउन हियर बिकॉज यू डोंट नीड इट. आई डिड इट दिस मॉर्निंग. सो you will write here it. Is this Ahmad's bag? No, he don't bring one. No की बात हुई है तो he don't आएगा. He don't bring one. I can't belong to him. It can't belong to him. यानी अहमद की बात हो रही है इसलिए हमने he और him लगाया है. I am looking for my shoes. Have you seen them? शूज़ की बात हो रही है इसलिए them लिखा है और यहाँ पर you. ओके, पूछा गया have you seen them? Yes, they are here. See question number B. Select a personal pronouns that agrees with the subject of each sentence. So we will see the sentence such as anyone, none, my mother. If it is plural, you will write plural, and if it is singular, you will write singular. The group has its meeting here, so you will write its over here. Anyone can get his. It is singular, we will consider anyone singular. Anyone can get his name in the news. None of these checks were cashed. They finally expired. My mother and her sister look. Two persons are there, mother and her sister look their vacations together. Took their vacations together. So we will write there here. All are welcome. They just need to call for directions to the party. Fifth one. Venus and Mars have their orbits near the Earth than to any other planets. The band starts its, so band, it is related to band, we write its, starts its tour tomorrow night. And any of the candidates could win. They, so candidates, so we write they are very much alike. Everyone has his, so everybody we will consider singular. Everybody has his own dream and goals. Degrees of adjective, we have positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjective. If we are writing about just one person, we write positive degree. If we are comparing two persons, we write comparative degree, we write then in comparative degree. And superlative degree we write the. And we compare more than three persons, more than three persons. So अगर हमने सिर्फ एक के बारे में बात करनी है तो हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री लिखते हैं एडजेक्टिव की. अगर हमने टू पर्सन्स के बारे में बात करनी हो तो हम देन के साथ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लिखेंगे, इट्स हार्डर देन. और अगर हमने थ्री या मोर देन थ्री पर्सन्स के बारे में बात करनी है तो हम द लिखेंगे और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री लिखेंगे. सी हार्ड, हार्डर, हार्डेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट, मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. अगर टू सिलेबिक वर्ड आ जाता है इंटरेस्टिंग, सी देयर आर टू सिलेबिक वर्ड इंटरेस्टिंग, देन we will write more interesting, most interesting. Complete the sentences by supplying the correct degrees of adjective. My family and I went to visit Murray last summer. So it is the whole paragraph. Of all the summers I have had, I would say this was the best. Would change into best. The is written. See, if the is written, you will write superlative degree. Good. The superlative degree of good is best. This was the best summer ever. In Murray, we enjoyed the horse riding. I rode a horse that ran faster and faster on the hills. We also climbed a tree, and when I reached the highest branch, I was more tired than my sister. I brought a jacket which was quite expensive. See, it was just single jacket, that's why I write expensive. And my sister chose a sweater because she found it much cheaper to buy. After our trip, I feel I am the quite luckiest boy on earth. That is written, we will write superlative degree luckiest. Luckiest boy on the earth. I hope you have understand the activity. See the next one. Order of adjectives. When a number of adjectives are used together, the order depends on the function of the adjectives. If we have a number of adjective in a sentence, अगर उनका जो सेंटेंस जो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं वो एक से ज़्यादा हम सेंटेंस में लिखते हैं और इकट्ठे एक से ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव्स हम लिखते हैं, तो उनका जो ऑर्डर है उनके फंक्शंस पे के अकॉर्डिंगली होगा. सच एज दे हैव गिवन डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट वन वी राइट ओपिनियन. सेकंड साइज़, किसी भी चीज़ का जो साइज़ दिया हुआ है, बिग, स्मॉल, लार्ज, then we will write it. Then third one age, temperature. Fourth one shape. शेप के बारे में हम लिखेंगे. Fifth, color such as grey, black, blue. Then sixth one, origin, and seventh one, material. In the last we will write material. See the examples and the sentences. Arrange the adjectives following the correct order. So this is the order. According to this order we will write adjectives. See, first one, we saw grey huge. We will write a huge grey. We write a first, then huge grey. We saw a huge grey whale in the sea. See the order. Huge is a shape and grey is color. So we write shape first, huge, and then color grey. I hope you have understand. Second, Baba used the blue medium rubber. So what is the order? First we write the shape medium. Medium is the shape, then color blue, and rubber is material. We write medium blue rubber. Baba used the medium blue rubber ball for basketball practice. Third one, Mahin brought few a chocolate dark triangular. We write first a few triangular. Mahin brought a few triangular dark chocolate bars to the birthday party. The pyramids of Egypt are made out of rock, enormous rectangular. So we write the shape first. Enormous rectangular rock. Boulders. That will be the order. We will write enormous rectangular rock. Shahid can eat thin crust square 5. We write first of all 5 thin crust shape square. Shahid can eat 5 thin crust square pizza slices. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that function like an adjective. See, black is adjective with a broken handle is adjective phrase. The black umbrella is mine. The umbrella with a broken handle is mine. In example A, the adjective black describes the umbrella. In example B, the adjective phrase with a broken handle describes the umbrella. It does the work of an adjective. So if a group of word function as an adjective is called adjective phrase. अगर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड हमें एडजेक्टिव के मीनिंग प्ले करेंगे तो वो एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज होगी. पिक आउट द एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज इन ईच सेंटेंस. ही बोर अ banner with a strange device. So with a strange device is adjective phrase. The principal of the school is on leave. So the principal of the school is adjective phrase. The decision of the judges is final. So decision of judges is adjective phrase. The tops of the mountain were covered with snow. So top of the mountains is adjective phrase. The runner in the rain did not qualify. Runner in the rear is adjective phrase. See, future indefinite tense. We write will or we write be going to. Put in will or be going to in these sentences. We don't have any bread. I know. I will get some. I will, or you can also write shall. But will is also correct if we have to emphasize on something. We can write will with I के साथ हम will तब लिख सकते हैं जब हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत अश्योर हो, मस्ट के मीनिंग में आए तो हम will लिखते हैं. I will भी आ सकता है और shall भी आ सकता है. अगर will लिखेंगे तो ये गलत नहीं होगा. I will get some from the shop. A. We don't have any bread. Really? I am going to get some from the shop then. A. Why do you need to borrow my suitcase? I will visit my mother in Multan next month. I am really cold. I will turn the heater on. Are you going to Jamshed's wedding tonight? Yes. Are you going to? I will give you a lift. Are you busy today? Would you like to have coffee? Sorry, I will go to the library. I have been planning to study all day. Why are you crying, carrying a hammer? I am going to put up some pictures. So you will write I am going to, and here I am going to, and with rest of the sentence you will write will. That's it. You have to learn it by heart and try to do it on your book and learn it. If you have any confusion, any question you want to ask, you can ask. That is your home task also. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.